Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to be going over our new chapter, chapter 8, which is about similarity. To kick off the chapter, we're going to talk about dilations. Dilation is the fourth transformation aside from translations, reflections, and rotations. Whenever you think of dilation, I want you to think about when you enlarge an object or you reduce an object in size. To start off, we're going to talk about how do we find a scale factor, also known as K. So we need two things. We need to know the length of an image that has been transformed and what is the pre-image, the original state. So let's start off with A here. In A, we're going to find the scale factor from basically this paperclip. And what are we multiplying this paperclip to get this larger paperclip over here? So all you need is the image, which is what happens after. Whenever we see image, we're going to think of this right over here. P prime. Prime is when we transform the original object. So if P was the original one, P prime is what happens after. We will call P prime our image, and our pre-image is going to be P over here. So if our image here, P prime, well, from point C all the way to P prime, it is 12. So we're just going to take 12 over our pre-image. What was the image before it happened? It is this right over here, 8, from C all the way to P, from C to P. So 12 over 8. That's going to be our scale factor here. Of course, we can reduce this. So 12 over 8, I see that they're both even numbers. So I'm going to take out a 2 from 12 and 8. So it's going to reduce to 6 over 4. And then yet again, 3 halves. So how do we get from 8 to 12? Well, we're going to multiply by 3 halves. Let's see if it works out just the same. 8 times 3 is going to be 24. 24 over 2 is going to be 12. So our scale factor is 3 halves. Now take a look over here. If our scale factor is larger than 1, this is an enlargement because it's getting larger. So obviously this is going to be an enlargement over here. Okay, cool. Let's try A. Let's try B now. So we notice here again, we want to find out what the scale factor is. Let's go find out what our image is and what our pre-image is. Our image is going to be that prime, P prime right over here. And then our pre-image is just going to be our regular P. So our image is from the point C all the way to P prime, which is 18. And then our pre-image is going to be from C all the way up to point P, which is going to be 30. And then let's go ahead and reduce this fraction to 9/15. 9 and 15 is also divisible both by 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. And then 15 divided by 3 is 5. So over here, our scale factor, K, is going to be 3/5. 3/5 is a value between 0 and 1. Therefore, this is going to be a reduction. And that's how you find the scale factor and determine if something is an enlargement or a reduction. Cool, bye.